Hello everyone, this is Shivam. Welcome in my class. Today we are going to discuss about hypothalamus-hypophyseal system. First we talk about hypothalamus. Hypothalamus present in our brain which connect through pituitary gland via a stalk known as infundibulum. This section cutting represent there. Now we talk about hypothalamus. Hypothalamus having some nucleus like supraoptic nucleus, paraventricular nucleus, preoptic nucleus, arcuate nucleus, and different another type of nucleus. That's all nucleus secretes some hormone which control the secretion of anterior pituitary. Now we talk about pituitary gland. Pituitary gland having two different parts. One is adenohypophysis, which is known as anterior pituitary, and another is posterior pituitary, which is known as neurohypophysis. Interior pituitary derived from rachid pouch of embryonal ectoderm, and posterior pituitary is derived from neural ectoderm. Now we talk about that's all system. First we talk about supraoptic nucleus. Supraoptic nucleus present in hypothalamus which release vasopressin stored in posterior pituitary. Another paraventricular nucleus. Paraventricular nucleus secrete different type of hormone like oxytocin, some another type of hormone, thyrotropin releasing hormone, corticotropin releasing hormone, and some another hormones. First we talk about oxytocin. Oxytocin secrete from paraventricular nucleus and stored in posterior pituitary. Now we talk about some another secretion of paraventricular nucleus. Paraventricular nucleus also secrete thyrotropin releasing hormone, thyrotropin inhibiting hormone. Thyrotropin releasing hormone secreted from paraventricular nucleus come in adenohypophysis through hypophyseal portal system, and thyrotropin releasing hormone stimulate the thyrotroph which secrete thyrotropin stimulating hormone. Another is thyrotropin inhibiting hormone. Thyrotropin inhibiting hormone also secreted from paraventricular nucleus which also stimulate the thyrotroph for secretion of thyrotropin stimulating hormone. Next is corticotropic releasing hormone. Corticotropic releasing hormone also secreted from paraventricular nucleus of hypothalamus which come in adenohypophysis and control the secretion of corticotroph. After stimulation, corticotroph release alpha melanocyte stimulating hormone, adenocorticotropic hormone, and some beta lipoproteins. And corticotropic inhibiting hormone also secreted from paraventricular nucleus and come in adenohypophysis and also stimulate the corticotroph secretion. Next is arcuate nucleus. Arcuate nucleus secretes some gonadotropin releasing hormones and growth hormone releasing hormone. We talk first about growth hormone releasing hormone. Growth hormone releasing hormone secreted from arcuate nucleus of hypothalamus and come in adenohypophysis through a hypophyseal portal system and control the secretion of somatotroph. After stimulation, somatotroph release growth hormone. But growth hormone inhibiting hormone secreted from preoptic nucleus of hypothalamus and come in adenohypophysis through hypophyseal portal system and control the secretion of somatotroph, means stop the secretion of growth hormone. Another gonadotropin releasing hormone. Gonadotropin releasing hormone secrete from arcuate nucleus and come in adenohypophysis and control the secretion of gonadotroph. Control the secretion of gonadotroph. After stimulation, gonadotroph release two different type of hormone, follicular stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Follicular stimulating hormone release when gonadotropin releasing hormone in less amount, but luteinizing hormone secrete when gonadotropin releasing hormone in more amount. Now we discuss about prolactin. Prolactin secreted from hypothalamus, but this is suspend which nucleus secrete prolactin. Another is prolactin inhibiting hormone. Prolactin inhibiting hormone, which is also known as dopamine, This is secret also from arcuate nucleus and come in adenohypophysis through hypophyseal portal system and control the secretion of lectotrop. After stimulation, lectotrop release inhibit prolactin. That's all about hypophyseal hypoportal system. Thank you very much.